Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports Package.
Jamaica will look to add to its medal tally at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships in Lima, Peru, through Chavez Penn, who will contest the final of the men's triple jump during today's evening session. Penn, who has a personal best of 15.92 meters, qualified for today's final as the 12th and last athlete after a best effort of 15.32 meters in the opening round on Tuesday. The final is set for 5:22 p.m. Meanwhile, defending champion Kirika Hill leads all competitors into this afternoon's semi-final of the women's 100-meter hurdles after qualifying fastest from the heats this morning. Hill stopped the clock at 13.18 seconds to win Heat 1. In the women's 200 meters, Sabrina Dockery and Shania Douglas have both qualified for this afternoon's semi-final. 3 Jamaicans have been named in the West Indies squad for the ICC Women's T20 World Cup in the United Arab Emirates, while Barbadian Deandra Dottin makes an immediate return to the team after coming out of retirement. Former captain Stephanie Taylor, all-rounder Chanel Henry, and Chedi Nation are the Jamaicans included in the 15-member squad for the World Cup. Dottin, the scorer of the fastest century in women's T20 internationals, made a sudden decision to quit while leading Barbados in the 2022 Commonwealth Games, citing a non-conducive environment within the West Indies setup. She reversed that decision last month. There is no place for wicketkeeper batter Rashada Williams, while Kate Wilmot, who made her debut against Pakistan in May, narrowly misses out, according to head coach Shane Dites. New franchise, the Antigua and Barbuda Falcons, team of Jamaicans Fabian Allen and Brandon King, will get the Caribbean Premier League off and running when they take on St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots in the opening game this evening. The Patriots have only one Jamaican in their lineup in the form of Odin Smith. The match goes off at 6 p.m. Jamaica time. Meanwhile, the final of the women's CPL is also set to take place today at 2 p.m. as defending champions Barbados Royals take on 2022 winners, the Trinbago Knight Riders. And finally, Cavalier will go in search of their second win of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup when they take on Police FC of Trinidad and Tobago at Sabina Park starting at 7 p.m. today. Cavalier sit atop Group A on goal difference ahead of Mount Pleasant, who have played a game more. Police were held to a 1-1 draw in their opening game against Rail Hope. Renardo Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.